Hello everyone. Uh, we have discussed about modules in Python in previous video of part 1. Here I am going to discuss some new concepts related to modules that we can utilize while making use of modules. And that is about some special variables which are available in Python. Not only these two, we have other as well, but these two are currently related with modules. So if we see C programming language, in that case you can see that in C programming language we used to start the coding from main, but in the case of Python we don't have that main function. So whenever we start execution of a Python program, the very first statement at the zero indentation level is executed. But these two special variables can help us to know about actually where our program started, and during the execution if that file which we are executing is actually being executed, or some imported file is being executed, that we can identify. Okay, so underscore underscore two times, then main, and then again two times underscore. This is the indication of any special variable in Python, and here the specific example I am taking for main and name. So main is the name of the module which is currently executing, and it is the name main when the code that you are executing is directly being used. For example, if you are writing a code, that file if we are directly executing, that means whatever code written in that current file that is being executed. So this module will called as a main. Fine. Sometime we import something, and that imported code is executed in the current program. In that case, this name variable assigns something not equal to main. That will be the name of that file in which that code is written. Okay, so we'll see through example also. So what we need to understand here, we have two variables, this name in which we can give any module name. If we are currently executing a specific file, that files in that file only the whole code is written, then this name variable will be assigned a value of main. But if we are using any function which is defined in any other module, and that module have been imported in the current file, in that case this name variable will have the name of that module if we'll try to access this in that particular file. Okay, this is about these two special variables which are used to identify the direct execution of code or indirect execution of code. Let us have example on this. Suppose I am having a simple print statement. This is print in file dd. So what is dd? This is the name I am giving to this particular file. You can see here, this is the name. Now if I print this special variable underscore underscore name, what is the output? Let us check it. See, this is the print in file dd. That means this statement is executing, and this is a special variable, starts from 2 underscore, ends at 2 underscore, and this variable is assigned the name of the module in which this code is written, and that name is main. Okay, so this main is the name of the module, so that means we are directly executing the code. Now sometimes we can access code from another file. So I'll take an example of user defined module. Let me make this a module. Let's say this is a module file dd.py, and I'll make another file, new file, and in that case I am importing that previous file, import dd, that is the name of the file previously created. So if I import that, that means the whatever written in that file is available for access in this current file. Now if I write something here, simple print statement, if I am giving I am in main, so this main is the name of this file I am going to give. Let's say I am giving this as main. So this main file, in this case, if I try to print that variable, which is special variable to know the current module, in this case if I print this without import, let me check it first. Without import, it is giving output I am in main and the name of the module is main. Now if I import dd and we check it, see, this is print in file dd. This is because that the code of the dd file has been taken inside the current file. So while executing that particular code, we also executed the print statement of name underscore name. So because being in that file, it is showing the name of that file here. So in this way you can say that when we import dd, it is going to that particular file first, this import dd file. In that file, this is the line written, so it is taken as an output. And if we try to print name in this file, this name is not having main as a value, but it is having the name of this module as a value. This is I wanted to show here, name of the module as a value. So this is, if this is not the main, that means this code whatever executed is because of some imported file. That file has been imported indirectly, we are using this code. And in this case, if I try to print the name variable, it is assigned the value of main because this particular line has been directly executed. This is the usage of these two variables that we can apply in case of Python. I hope it's clear to everyone, and we'll meet for next topic based on object-oriented programming in the next video.